Guys, for today's video, so si GoTime ay maglalabas daw siya ng lending service coming soon na. And i-share ko sa inyo yung sneak peek ng possible na lending products na i-offer nila. Medyo excited ako dito kasi tatlo itong ilalabas nilang lending products na ilalagay nila sa GoTime. So kung gusto nyo malaman kung ano ba tong possible na i-launch nilang lending product this coming 2024, samahan nyo ako, pag-usapan natin yan. Sit back and let's discuss. Coming right up. Hi guys, this is Pat and you're in Pat Quintos Review TV. So if you're new here in my channel, I do reviews about entrepreneurship, small business, and other personal finance na meron na akong experience at ginawan ko na yan ng videos and playlist na makikita nyo dito sa taas. At kung bago ka dito sa channel ko, you may want to consider subscribing to my channel. Okay guys, so unahin muna natin yung news. Yung article na nilabas sometime October pa. Nakita ko tong article na to pero hindi ko naman siya masyadong pinagtuunan ng pansin kasi wala namang specifics ng mga product na yan. Unahin muna natin dyan and then let's go later dun sa sneak peek na sinasabi ko. From businessmirror.com.ph. So sabi dito, GoTime Bank to launch several lending products. Okay, nilabas siya noong October 6. Sabi dito, GoTime Bank Corporation is set to launch its lending product as its executive also expect to end the year with 2 million customer. Sabi ni Albert Raymond Tino, the company CEO, that the payment system operator will offer a lending for small-scale and medium-sized enterprises. So Tino added GoTime will also offer salary loan first for employees of JG Summit Holdings before offering it to the public. The company will also offer a buy now pay later scheme just like what Neuron Credit Financial Company doing business as Atome is doing. The product still needs approval from the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas. So, ito pala, itong mga i-offer nilang product is for approval na ni BSP. Before we continue, nasabi dito na i-offer daw nila ay una is loans for SMEs, mga small and medium-sized enterprise. So, business loan daw to. Meron ng news about it this just November na nakipag-partner si GoTime with PayMongo to offer an SME loan sa mga partner merchants ni PayMongo. Pangalawa is the buy now and pay later na katulad ng service na ino-offer ni Atome. And pangatlo, which is the salary advance. Well, initially daw sa mga employees ni JG Summit. Yan daw ang tatlong lending products na i-offer nila. So parang wala namang sustansya kasi wala naman tayong nakikita. Well, ito na nga. So, recently, nagpadala ng survey si GoTime sa selected customer nila. And isa ako sa na-survey. So, dito sa survey na to is na-capture ko yung mga lending products na sinasabi dito sa article ni Business Mirror. So, una sa lahat, yung buy now and pay later. So, makikita natin yan. Ito yung magiging bagong GoTime app. So, makikita dito na yan. Mayroon nakalagay na more time, pay in installments. So, upfront, may 30 days, may 60 days, and then may 90 days. Tawag nila dito is more time. So, pag pinindot natin yon, ito pa lang yung lumalabas. So, wala pa yung details ng more time. Pero nakalagay na dyan, buy now, pay later. After ng more time, meron naman sa ilalim yung Go Salary Advance. Ito yung sa mga employees na pwedeng mag-salary advance. So, pag clinic natin yan, lalabas, get paid before payday. Yan yung makikita natin, pero wala pang details. And then, hindi naman kita dito yung sinasabi nilang ino-offer na SME loan. Siguro, possible na yung SME loan is makikita via PayMongo. Pero, one thing na gusto kong i-highlight pa dito sa updated na app is magkakaroon na rin na buy and sell ng crypto. So, kung makikita niyo dito, may nakalagay na Go Crypto. Pero dahil hindi naman yan ang topic natin for today, at least ma-highlight ko lang sa inyo na isa yan sa wino-work ko ni GoTime na ipa-approve kay BSP. Magandang abangan natin yan kasi nga it's another tool para sa atin to help us na ma-manage yung finances natin properly. They're reaching 2 million customer by the end of the year. So, isipin nyo na lang yon, may access sa buy now, pay later ang mga 2 million na mga tao, di ba? By just downloading the app, registering, and providing ID, may chance ka na magkaroon ng access dun sa lending products ni GoTime. Okay, so yan, sana nakapag-share ako ng information sa inyo, mga parang chismis din, no? At least may napakita naman ako sa inyong proof na yan ang tinatrabaho ni GoTime na i-offer sa atin na lending product. For our question of the day, nasubukan nyo na ba ang digital bank ni GoTime? Ano ang experience nyo using the GoTime app? Let me know sa comment section sa baba, pag-usapan natin yan. At may chance kayong manalo ng 500 pesos GCash every week. Maglagay ng hashtag #RoadTo75K sub para sa chance nyong manalo ng cellphone sa ating November cellphone giveaway. And syempre, huwag mong kalimutang mag-like and subscribe dito sa aking channel. So yun lang muna po for today's video. But before we end this video, mag-shoutout muna tayo at shoutout kay at Jerilyn Castro-FU2VX. Sabi niya, "Hi po, dami ko po natututunan sa mga videos nyo. Maraming salamat." At Jerilyn Castro, maraming salamat din po sa patuloy na pagsuporta at pagtutok dito sa aking channel. So yun lang muna po for today's video. Thank you for watching. I hope you could like this video. Leave a thumbs up, and if not, wala namang problema dyan. But continue to support me by subscribing to my channel by clicking the subscribe button and also the bell button sa tabi ng subscribe para makareceive kayo ng latest notification sa lahat ng upload ko. Again guys, this is Pat Quinto and you're in Pat Quinto's Review TV. Bye-bye!